Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, CB and Ham Radio Depot. Today we're going to dig in on some browning equipment, and we are kind of loaded with browning stuff. Actually, this is one particular set. This is a R2700 and an Browning S9. These units were manufactured in the early 60s, 61, 62. And myself and Lynn, we both enjoy this vintage equipment, and it's kind of nice and refreshing to see something that's in good condition. We actually acquired this stuff, and these particular units did not need much. This one, the transmitter had caps put in it. The receiver had some caps put in it. I pulled all the tubes, cleaned all the sockets, and tested all the tubes. Anyway, you don't see these very often. This particular S9 transmitter was originally, it appears to be an S9. It has had the additional channels put in it. Now, I was told by somebody that these kits were sold to add channels to an S9. Now, whether this is true or not, I do not know. But nevertheless, this one has spots for 23 channels. It actually has 22 crystals in it. I think channel 23 is not in there. But anyway, if any of you all have not messed with one of these, they're real simple to use. And the thing I like about the old R2700 is the noise limiter, and it is outstanding. It will practically take your receiver plumb out. It is that adjustable. Of course, it has squelch and volume. There is 5 channel crystal holes. Right now we got it on M, which is manual, which is this here. And the only other thing on the receiver here is this switch here, which what it does when it's in the up position, it does a momentary transmit, and down here it does a lock transmit. Now, I'm not quite sure what that was used for, unless it was for tuning amplifiers or such. I don't know. The transmitter does have Vox, which I'm not quite sure why you'd want to use Vox, but on this particular unit, but it's there if you need it. In the back, there is anti-Vox and threshold. The meter at this present time is set to modulation. The switch is in the back. You can check your voltage and you can check your output by moving the switch in the back. Real simple units. These particular units work really good. And I actually was on there just a minute ago talking to some guys. This receiver does have adjustable ping. So it has a switch someone installed in the back, which does switch different capacitors in and out for the squeal. But as you can see, it's got plenty of audio. Hello. Normal voice, about 13 watts. So kind of fun to play with these things. I really enjoy it. So anyway, we're going to do some more videos. We got some more browning equipment. We got some Mark IVs, some Mark IIIs. There's 2 Mark IIs on the site at the moment. Real slick Mark IIs. We had a Mark IVA. We didn't get to do a video on it. A local guy purchased it. So anyway, we appreciate you watching our videos and come to our site and see what we got. Anyway, CB and Ham Radio Depot. Thank you.